Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0.00000025 Dogelon MARS Elon records, essentially descending development today, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Elon essentially rose 1.42% in 7 days in a kind of enormous way. The ongoing exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars generally is at $1,078,656, or so they essentially thought. 08 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to respond to these often sought clarification on some things, facts. What especially is by and large transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, especially is Elon a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on. So 08 July 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to respond to these often clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters? Is Elon a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Elon specialized examination, let us explicitly discuss the really current economic situations, which basically is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $20,577,638,440 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. Genuinely further appearance. How 08 July 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Is Elon an excellent speculation? Or so they in every practical sense thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which by and large is very huge. These occasions really show that the market explicitly is going in a really descending bearing for pretty present moment, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a kind of broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The genuinely everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars most certainly shows that the Elon cost explicitly has a sort of descending development with a 2.51% reduction in fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin generally is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Incredibly, Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars in an especially significant manner. What sort of is Dogelon Mars Elon, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Dogelon Mars generally is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, which especially is very huge. It follows the case of other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu in an exceptionally significant manner. Dogelon Mars by and large plays on extremely a few famous subjects in the image coin space in opposition to prevalent thinking. Its name explicitly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon business person who generally is a frank ally of Doge, which explicitly shows that its name explicitly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who for the most part is a blunt ally of Doge in a very enormous manner. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the truly popular moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a huge vertical development, which essentially is very critical. Past its in every practical sense flippant name, Dogelon Mars explicitly has truly figured out how to by and large form a critical local area, with genuinely in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters, and for the most part in excess of 84,000 devotees on message. Incredibly, who are the originators behind Dogelon Mars in an especially significant manner? Very much like especially is the situation for its kind of additional conspicuous and certainly more settled cousins. The organizers behind this essentially specific canine coin for the most part are most certainly obscure in a huge manner. That is generally a genuinely normal event for image coins, and financial backers basically are very much informed extremely because of kind regarding a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to sort of try not to succumb to vindictive practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So Elon really has been available for especially a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which basically is genuinely huge. What by and large makes Dogelon Mars especially exceptional in a quite huge manner? Dogelon Mars generally utilizes a clever genuinely comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. So Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%. Especially further appearance. How 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What especially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, for the most part, is Elon a very wise venture? Or so they truly thought. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his particularly goes through the stars. Exceptionally a few short comics truly are distributed on the coin site that in every practical sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he in every practical sense meets companions and goes on experiences, exhibiting that its name for the most part is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who by and large is a straightforward ally of Doge, which in a real sense shows that its name in every way